before than yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We meet in the third meeting, yeah, and we had the material in this morning, yeah. In this morning, yeah, so we have the title is describing morning. But before we come to this title, this topic, so like usually, yeah, I would like give you, yeah, opportunity, yeah, to sharing, yeah, about your experience, yeah, because this is the subject is speaking, so the case K, yeah, K for this subject is practice. Is it right? Tadi kan speaking kan, ya, matanya speaking. So, yeah, before we come to this topic, so we open our meeting today, yeah, in order our lesson today, yeah. We are getting the successful, yeah, so we can open the reading basmala together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, guys, yeah. Some of you want to apa ya? Sharing, maybe some of you want to sharing. If there isn't, so we come to the topic describing a person. Is there any something that you asking for this material? We have three meetings. The first meeting we learn about the introduction, right? And then the second meeting we learn about the expression like and dislike. And in this meeting we learn about the describing of the person. So I hope that you all in this meeting, yeah, of course you have a keep spirit, yeah, keep fighting, I mean, yeah, and then like usually, yeah. Some of you, maybe what do you think about this title? Describing a person. Nah, apa sih materi hari ini? Akan describing a person. If you want to actual by mix in Indonesia is okay, ya. Describe your person, Mister? Specific myself. Okay, it's okay. Another. Mendeskripsikan seseorang. Okay, good answer. Excellent. Yeah. Another. Miss. Oke, mendeskripsikan seseorang dengan menyebutkan ciri-cirinya. Oke, ya, another, yes. Deskripsikan seseorang dengan menyebutkan ciri-cirinya. Oke, mendeskripsikan seseorang dengan menyebutkan ciri-cirinya. Oke, this answer is very good, is very excellent. So, yeah. Good describing person is talking about how we expressing to someone, how the way, expressing of someone. So this is describing of person, Okay. Did you ever describe someone you admire? Did you ever describe someone you admire? Admire? Apa itu? What is that? Admire. Kagum. Okay. Kagum. Iya. Did you ever describe someone you admire? Sudah. Pasti kan dari kalian ini sudah pernah istilahnya apa? Mendeskripsikan atau menggambarkan yang seseorang yang dianggap admire. Wow, dianggap gini-gini. Giving the motivation. Yang intinya adalah the point is inspire itu yang berkesan, yang mengagumkan, gitu ya. Nah, this is about the describing of someone. Nah, there is some way to describe of someone, why we must describe someone by this way, because it's order to us, when we making speaking. sometimes I know that you, for example, when you are describing of someone, ya, sometimes you lose. Ataupun tiba-tiba, nah, hilang, gitu ya. Nah, apa ya, gitu kan? Saya itu apa ya? Nah, this is the way, ya. If we can see from the appearance, what is that? The appearance is describe someone. Appearance is use. You will often use adjective. Yeah, adjective is kind of word that describe a noun or maybe a person or place or thing. Appearance is ya penampakan ya. Jadi penampakan fisik form face ya, body itu kira-kira apa sih yang bisa dicirikan, yang bisa digambarkan gitu ya. So this is the first appearance. Jadi yang pertama ya, itu kita habisi semuanya itu adalah mulai dari appearance-nya, appearance of someone ya. Short form this is apa itu part of body-nya, mulai dari face-nya, mulai dari tangannya, nantinya seperti apa, and then legs-nya itu seperti apa, gitu ya. Any question before I continue? Okay, for example like this, for example seperti apa sih? Yuk, the next. Nah, kira-kira itu seperti apa sih yang bisa di-appearance-kan atau yang bisa dicirikan ya? The human body-nya for example adalah forehead. Ya, dahi, dahinya itu seperti apa namanya? Ya, and then eye, mata, ya, mata. For example, matanya seperti apa? Ya, kalau biar bagi orang Indonesia itu kan ada yang siji, ada yang lebar, ada yang apa lagi? Ya, nah, ada yang saya in English? Ayo, small eyes, okay, and then, medium, gitu ya, medium, gitu ya. Okay, the nose, hidung, yuk. How to say? Pointed nose, okay, good. Yeah, and then flat nose. Ya sudah, gambarannya flat and pointed nose. Because I think that when we describe about the basic appearance, is actually the basically is relative, gitu ya. Sometimes, for example, from me, ya, I say somebody, oh, he has a pointed nose. Kalau menurut ini kan menurut itu sudah maju. But it's different, sometimes it's different, ya. Mungkin rata-rata majunya kan different gitu ya. So that's why a nose, flat nose, and then pointed nose, and then hair, rambut. Biasanya kayak rambut ada straight, and then curly, okay, and then wavy. Okay, about the color. Brown, and then black, and then red. Iya, red. Actually, about the color is very different ya. Sometimes ya, because there is maybe a gray ya, and then blue ya, and then apa sih yang berwarna itu ya. Purple ya, it's can ya. Nah, and then lips, bibir, full lips. Yeah, full lips, and then small lips. Nah, itu ya. And then tooth, gigi ya. And then chin, dagu ya. Next apa? Lehernya itu? Iya, jaw ya, itu. And then shoulder. Iya. Wide. Ya. And then hand. Kalau tangan, yes, maybe is of course. I think that when we describe the hand, ya, from the someone, maybe it's like apa ya? Finger, ya. the appearance of the finger. Kalau tangan kayak masih bukan ya? Ya, tangannya juga surface of ten gitu ya. And then nail, kuku, yes of course, yes, there's stomach, and then skin. Nah, ini yang paling apa ya? Different gitu ya. Maybe for Indonesian people apa? Kalau misalnya natural skin, and then warm, nanti ada ivory gitu juga ya. Apa ya kalau yang sawo matang? Dan iya, and then deep white ya, white skin, and then black skin gitu ya, and then legs, kaki, and then face, wajah. Tidak, wajah is usually apa wajah? Don't say that the triangle, no ya. Oval, okay, oval, and then this is the appearance from the person, so we can take from one of them ya. Jadi you can choose one of them, maybe start from the I think that look. Pasti kan all of the people that they has got the two eyes itu pasti dua mata gitu kan ya, satu hidung ya, one nose and then both. Jadi yang basically aja gitu ya. Oke, ini basic. Oke, kayaknya sudah nggak sabar untuk practice. The next, iya, nah this is describe the appearance ya, start from apa? Yeah, it's also about the hair. Yeah. How about the hair? Brown. Okay, good. How about the nose? Pointed. So it has pointed nose. And then how about the eyes? Eyes? Small. The color of eyes. Green. The next after appearance. So what another that we want to describe. The second is about the character. Selain appearance, itu apa sih yang bisa kita deskripsikan pada seseorang? The next adalah karakter. A person character is their personality, personalnya gitu ya. When you talk about someone, so you might mention what they are like as a person. Nah, biasanya itu karakternya dia itu seperti apa. Nah, so the character is like personality. Okay? And someone who want to give the example, so the character is like what? Like karakternya secara friendly. Okay. And then, this is so many characters in this It's only example. Maybe some of another is okay friendly and then careful honest impolite, kind. Okay. So I wanna read. Arrogant, and then maybe. Okay. Brave, and then calm. Okay. Careful. Okay. Careless. Okay. Clever. Okay. Cool. Okay. Friendly. Okay. The next. Helpful. Good. Honest. Okay. Impolite. Good. Kind. Polite. Smart. Skinny. Stubborn. Stingy. Okay. And then stubborn. And then stupid. Okay. human being, yeah. Maybe you have what is it, friend, and then you have what is it, your family, yeah. Having some of them have about this character, yeah. Not only actually not only this, yeah. So many vocabulary about the character, so yeah. Okay, any question? Okay, the first is about the appearance, and then the second is about the character. So we can use of this, yeah. Yeah. The next is the okay. The third is it's only so we can mention about describe the characters. So the picture number 1 is he is short. Okay, he is short. And then another slave. Yeah, he is short. Yeah. Okay, the next. Maybe I mean kidding. I mean we can explain, or maybe we can describe of the first picture that he has a short, or maybe he has funny, yeah, or maybe he is a disciplined person, or maybe another, yeah, from the character of this. Biasanya kalau karakternya orang kayak itu kan mungkin dia lucu, atau dia apa itu careless, nggak apa itu careless itu bahasanya apa ya, trouble gitu ya. Nah, and then the second picture is she is funny, okay, and then she is friendly, and then kind is okay, and then she is happy, and then smart, yeah, okay, so many character from this picture, yeah, and then the third picture, charming, okay, and then
Happy.
Happy. Okay, and then cheerful. Yeah, so many characters.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Morning.
Okay, here I want to describe the people, and I want to describe my mom. My mother is 45 years old, and she has small eyes, and she has black eyes, and she have pointed nose, and she have full lips, and her skin is yellow, and she likes to cooking. As usually, she likes cooking fried rice, fried chicken, soup, and others. And then she is cared to in her family. She is cared to me. She cared to her husband, and she wearing the hijab. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.